Yo, so I found these Johns at the local Goodwill, and today we finna paint these things up. I've had this idea for a while. We're gonna do free tattoo removal signs on these saws. Seen them before, I ain't the first one that ever did it, but I'm the first one that's ever gonna do it right here for your eyes. Okay, the first step is getting all this rust off these things. And you know what? Sometimes at your local thrift store, you can find the deals, baby. Look at this thing. Hopefully this thing's gonna focus, but $5, baby. $5 for these Johns. I'd say that's a deal. First thing we gotta do is clean them off and get this surface ready to be painted on. I don't know why the hell they put tape on everything, but they do, and this tape has got to go, and this rust has got to go, so our acrylic paint is gonna stick on this metal. Okay, step one on this project. I just can't believe I got both of these for $10. I've been procrastinating a lot on making other art besides tattoos. Sometimes you get back home, you've been making art, you've been drawing, you're doing all that all day. It's hard. You say, I ain't really got the creativity in me. Well, now all that procrastination is going to stop today. First things first, we got to get this surface prepared. So we're going to get some black gesso. We're going to paint this after we get all the rust and stuff off. The problem with this one is whoever put this up in the store put this daggone tape on there to avoid people getting their little fingers cut. I hate tape and I hate getting rid of tape, but this is the first project. We gotta prep this surface. Okay, let's go. Alright, what can I use to get rid of this damn tape? You better watch out, you about to get the business too, son. Go on. What I got? Maybe I can use this. Maybe I could use this. I could like scrape that John off. Maybe I could use this. Saw that shit off. Let's see. What can we use? What can we use? Don't judge me. I know it's a mess in here. Don't play with me. Don't play with my. That might work. That's a little too dull though. Maybe we got something. Maybe we got something in here. You know, I'd like to do things professionally. So, you know, razor. That might help. All right. Let's get into this thing. Tape. Hey, tape. So I was looking for some of that goof off or some kind of solvent, and I was out here messing around and I remembered gasoline. Gasoline? Hell yeah. Okay, so now that we have got all of our rust off our saws, we're gonna use a little bit of this. This is called gesso. Gesso is a primer for acrylic paint, and it pretty much can go on anything, glass, metal, whatever you want, and this binds to the metal, and then your paint will bind to this so that we can paint on these metal blades. Otherwise, you just paint acrylic on a metal blade, it might last for a little bit, and then it's gonna fall off. So, step 2, gesso. Prime them things up so we can paint on them bad boys. Let's go. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is use a little bit of technology, this here iPad Pro. I'm gonna take pictures of the saws and then I'm gonna bring it into my program, Procreate, and I'm gonna do the sketch over the saws just to get everything lined up, and then I'm gonna transfer. Okay, so now I have my basic sketch. I'm gonna do a lot more pinstriping and stuff over it, but this is my basic sketch just to have an idea of what to do on my saw blade. Okay, here's the sketch. Gotta press record when I was sketching, but here it is. Here's the basic sketch, and we're gonna get down to it. Okay everyone, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see some more cool content like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit a like, comment, do your thing, whatever. But this channel is going to be so much fun. I have so many ideas for projects, and I'd love to share some of my art with y'all. Thank you.